Guys, meet every single new iMAC color ever. 7 new colors, and here they all are. Today, I am checking out all of the new iMacs. Colors, baby. Should that be the start of the video? Yeah, whatever. So I'm in Sydney, Australia right now, and Apple have set up these incredible, stunning sets to show off these iMacs. But I'm actually really curious if this cupboard is real. It's not real. Blue. Yellow. This is a vibe. Is it not? You guys have to vote in the comments. What is your favorite color iMac? I know a lot of you guys were vibing the purple. Well, yes, it is stunning. Good choice. Alright guys, it's time for you to let me know in the comments which iMac would you buy. And on that note, bye.